Say they will wish to see we fall. Righteousness exalt the nation, sin is a reproach to any people, but we standing tall. Set. I will never fail, I will never fail. From my Emperor Selassie, I the youth them are ill. I will never fail, I will never fail. I good over evil, righteousness must have to prevail. I will never fail, I will never fail. When I broke down the barriers and the borders and the rail, I will never fail, I will never fail. For the Black Star Line, I'm on a sail. King Shango coming down. Yo, that one you lick them like a lava. Boom, wicked man head bust like guava. Right now the youth them say them getting brother, yeah. Hey, King Shango coming down. Yeah, that one you take them like a lava. Oh, boom, a boy we climb a man border. Cause if the woman them alone myself we get this harder, yeah. Boom, that one that name Chop. Hold the orders and the discipline. And tell the whole of them not try for this the king. Cause we are the king of all kings. We not eat the fish them cause we know them have to swim. We not eat the bird them cause we know them have to sing. Emperor Selassie ruler over all things. Tell them to be careful of the words when them a fling. Now me tell the youth to go them locks and say no trim. King Shango coming down. Yo, that one you lick them like a lava. Boom, wicked man head bust like guava. Right now the youth them say them getting brother, yeah. Hey, King Shango coming down. Yeah, that one you take them like a lava. Oh, boom, a boy we climb a man border. Cause if the woman them alone myself we get this harder, yeah. So me say you get hypocrites may wanna see me down, but I ain't giving up. I know they're trying to push me down, but I ain't giving up. I know they're wishing to see we fall, but I ain't giving up. Till King Selassie I am standing tall. Look how I'm living up. Yo, that one I lick them like a lava. Boom, wicked man head bust like guava. Right now the youth them say them getting brother, yeah. Hey, King Shango coming down. Yeah, that one you take them like a lava. Oh, boom, a boy we climb a man border. Cause if the woman never alone myself we get this harder, yeah. Alright, then that one and name. Well, enough no have no substance. Find out enough get kicked out by no cans. I pray, well I pray every day for the youth and say, yeah, they wanna divide us, and them no want to rise up. And then they take us for a ride. Don't want us to be wise, the truth them hide up. Them no want we to rise up. That's why them try to divide us. And then they take us for a ride. Don't want us to be wise, the truth them hide up. Focus division, political conflict cause segregation. Divide and rule, no good for any nation. That's why Rasta chant unification. The people can't survive without education. If the people not collective, how the people are go strong. If them not organized, then how them are go set a plan. That's why we chant for liberation. Say unity, strength, I tell the youth them say survival. My bond is them and the schism and the tribal. I'm my bond divisional, suicidal. Bond the oppressors, me say and them a rival. Suppressing the people with political rival. constrained economical tidal. Tell them so we no want no more reprisal. Else let's have a prison and no idol. One more loving on the region, so we get rid of the division. Burn the politics with the religion. Let them know say that we not swear no legion. So plant more food, make it grow. Got enough more seed of it sow. How much more trees have to grow? By the sweat of your brow, no this is now your brow. Them want divide us, and them no one will rise up. And then they take us for a ride. No one gets to be wise to shoot them idol. They want to divide us. I tell you this is just a warning, yeah. When will it be? You treat the common man like human being. Why can't you see? You take every means to survive. Revolution is a must be. Gonna be a blood for blood, a tongue for tongue. You win afflicting blows like we are now. Gonna be a blood for blood, yes. A tongue for tongue. Every day the bucket go away. One day I go drop off, yeah. How much longer before people be free of this insanity, poverty, your social agenda, causing a commotion, yes, leaving the people with no option. Gonna be a blood for blood, yes, a tongue for tongue. You will afflicting those like we are now. Gonna be a blood for blood, a tongue for tongue. Every day the bucket go well, it must drop out. I ain't not instigating, no, Mr. Government. I ain't not instigating a thing, no. But this is a warning for people suffering. You're gonna cause a revolution. You say you're born smoking. Well, the river and stench got the people second and choking. You say you care, you must be joking. Situation in a prison and hospital is so provoking. You say you're educated, but common sense no learn. A university prostituting the laws, willing to cause. So frustrating, a blood for blood, a tongue for tongue. You've been afflicting those like we are now. Gonna be a blood for blood, a tongue for tongue. Every day
I cry tears to see when parents are ball, 'cause them child blood just tearing up the wall. Again I cry tears to see a man start cry, 'cause them find out him girl just die. It makes me cry tears to see a woman in a pain, 'cause she man just get shot down the lane. It makes me cry tears to know I have to hold me head up high and ask the Almighty God why did they have to go? They didn't do no wrong, but if they did, only you know. Some people just won't understand. That's the way your life goes. You will reap what you sow. Don't go like you never know. Father's God is either you. There ain't nothing you can do. That is what I gotta say. I cry tears to see when parents are ball, 'cause them child blood just tearing up the wall. Again I cry tears to see a big man a cry, 'cause him find out him girl just die. It makes me cry tears to see a woman in a pain, 'cause somebody just shot out her brain. It makes me cry tears to know we have to hold we head up high and ask Almighty Jah, when will this madness end? I could not take that, but what am I supposed to do? Revenge would be the first act, but I'd have to take time and think back and see how I try it there to see. When some parents are ball, cause them child blood just stain off the wall. Again I cry tears to see. When a big man I cry, cause them find out him girl just die. It makes me cry tears to see. When a woman in a pain, cause she husband just get shot down the lane. It makes me cry tears to know we have to all we had a boy. I'm dogs father got the question why some people die. That's the way life is. We're born to live then go. We're just passing through. I don't do it for now. We gotta one fighting it.
What's up with the world? It's the people that live in it. And I'm wondering when they'll make a change. In this age and time, you got to know your purpose of living. Cause only in this time, the fittest can survive. God knows I hate to see brothers killing brothers, nation fighting amongst themselves. It makes me wonder what will be the future, because the children needs to play. What's the matter with the world? Is the world gone mad? Ain't nothing wrong with the world. It's the people that's in it. In it. Oh yes. Hey. For the day when we land universal peace. Never say the days when the drugs and the guns and the bombs and the wars decrease. I know somewhere out there you find tranquility. Never say the days. What's the matter with the world? Is the world gone mad? Oh yes. Ain't nothing wrong with the world. It's the people that's in it. Lord of mercy. Oh Lord, yes. Got to be a winner for that. Ain't no good to be a loser. Got to be a winner for that. Ain't no good to be a loser. I gave all my heart and soul, yes. I got it fully on the way, his control. Say the half of the story has never been told. Fulfillment of prophecy just got to unfold. I'll never betray my master for silver nor gold, no. I say I wanna live forever. I don't wanna lose my soul. Don't wanna lose my soul. Got to be a winner for that. Ain't no good to be a loser. Got to be a winner for that. Ain't no good to be a loser. I've got to be a winner, a winner, a winner. Got to be a winner, a winner, a winner. Oh Lord, yeah, oh well. Hey, as I journey down life road, yes, I call on Jah to with me carry my heavy load to where sweet waters flow, yes, because the road is a rough and winding road. I don't care what they say, and I don't care what they do. Would I do that I'm treading through?
Jah, I found a friend in you, yes. Ooh, hey, hey. Ooh, hey, oh, Lord. Got to be a winner for Jah, ain't no mood to be a loser. Got to be a winner for Jah, ain't no mood to be a loser. I've got to be a winner, a winner, a winner. Got to be a winner, a winner, a winner. Oh Lord, well, oh well, oh joy, oh. So Jah content with those who content with me, and he fight against those who fight against me. Jah take up shield and bucklers and run to my aid. Woy, woy, he brand his spear and javelin against all who persecute me, and say to my soul, you my salvation. Ooh, Jah, Jah, say to my soul, you my salvation. That's why I've got to be a winner for Jah. Ain't no mood to be a loser.
I wanna take you on the ride of your life, and this journey will feel like a dream. Wanna take you to the heights of ecstasy. You'll never want another after me, baby. Don't wanna know your story, cause I won't tell you mine. Just want this one sweet memory for my lifetime, baby. I'm not looking for love, but my being is overwhelmed. Like a drug, you tainted my soul. This mystery has captured all of me, and all I care about is having you right here, right now. I wanna take you on the ride of your life. This journey will feel like a dream. Wanna take you to the heights of ecstasy. You'll never want another after me. No, no, I mean no disrespect. It's one of those rare circumstances. I mean no disrespect. I'm not that kind of man. Ain't about love, it's about your masterpiece. It ain't about love, it's about sweet memories. I wanna take you on the ride of your life, and this journey will feel like a dream. I wanna take you to the heights of ecstasy. You'll never want another after me, baby. Don't like creeping, never condone cheating.
What is love if you don't feel it? It's just another word. What is love if you don't believe in it? It's just another word. Living in a world with lonely people, scattered like time
get no love. Got all the money in this world, but money can't buy me love. Whoa, no, no, I got my heart set on you. Whoa. So Cupid, let your arrow flow to her heart, so she will know how much I know that in return, then she will give a little love. I need a little love. Show a little love. Oh, every man and woman need that special someone in their life, and all I really want is you. With you I'll always try, and let me tell you why, baby love. Every single day it's you I'm thinking of, telling me that I'm your only special love, and you got your heart set on me. Yeah. So Cupid, arrow flow, she will know. I know that in return, then she will show a little love. Need a little love. Oh, ooh, baby. Yeah.
Oh my, pretty baby, don't be shy. Oh me, oh my, I'm gonna tell you why. Oh me, oh my, pretty baby, don't be shy. Oh me, oh my, I'm gonna tell you why. You're so attractive, why are you behaving like this? As if you got doubts inside, baby, there's no reason to hide. Oh me, oh my, pretty baby, don't be shy. Oh me, oh my, I'm gonna tell you why. Oh me, oh my, pretty baby, don't be shy. Oh me, oh my, I'm gonna tell you why. Not only good looking, you'd like to taste her fine cuisine. For you, she'll make vacancy. Baby, you've got your PhD. I've been searching for someone like you. Yeah. Now you're here, baby, my skies are blue. Oh me, oh my, pretty baby, don't be shy. Oh me, oh my, I'm gonna tell you why. Oh me, oh my, pretty baby, don't be shy. Oh me, oh my, I'm gonna tell you why.
Inside of me, oh, and it's showing, shining so bright, showing, this love of mine, yes, and it's showing, just can't hide. So long we've been together, can't keep you to myself. Got to share you with another. Got to share you with someone else. It's growing, this love inside of me. Oh, and it's showing, shining so bright. It's growing, I know, this love of mine. Yes, it is showing, just can't hide. Come on, my brothers and sisters, let's not waste our time. We got to move together. Let's synchronize our minds. It's growing, this love inside of me. Oh, and it's showing, shining so bright. It's growing, I know this love of mine. Yes, and it's showing, just can't hide. A prayer for you and a prayer for me. Let's live in love and harmony. Only love can set us free. It's growing, this love inside of me. Oh, and it's showing, shining so bright. It's growing. Only love can set us free. Love is the answer. I know. Good, 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 good. You're looking real good. Good, 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 good. You're looking the way a woman should. Good, 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 good. You're looking real good. Good, 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 good. You're looking the way a woman should. Once you got me staring, that indicates your body is rolling. Can hardly control my feelings. I'm so anxious to hold you, my whole body's trembling. Good, 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 good. You're looking real good. Good, 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 good. You're looking the way a woman should. Good, 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 good. You're looking real good. Good, good, real good. You're looking the way a woman should. This morning when I saw you taking a walk, for a minute or two I couldn't talk. For a brief moment I was down and felt so ashamed when you asked me if the kids got my down. Baby, yeah. Good, 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 good. You're looking real good. Good, 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 good. You're looking the way a woman should. Good, good, real good. You're looking real good. Good, 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 good. You're looking the way a woman should. Is this a blessing or a curse? Each day my feelings for you gets worse. You get on top of my nerve. Are you keeping the love I deserve and reserve? Good, 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 good. You're looking real good. Good, 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 good. You're looking the way a woman should. Good, 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 good. You're looking real good. Good, 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 good. You're looking the way a woman should. Once you got me staring, that indicates your body is rolling. Can hardly control my feelings. I'm so anxious to hold you, my whole body's trembling. Good, 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 good. You're looking real good. Good, 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 good. You're looking the way a woman should. Good, 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 good. You're looking real good. Good, 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 good. You're looking the way a woman should. This morning when I saw you taking a walk, baby, for a minute or two I could not talk. For a brief moment I was down and felt so ashamed when you asked me, the cat's got my town. Whoa, whoa, baby. Good, good, good.
I wanna be closer. I wanna be closer. I wanna be closer. Closer to you. I wanna be sweeter. Oh, so I wanna be so much sweeter. Oh, I wanna be so much sweeter. Sweeter to you. Seeing you is like Don't know what it is about you that makes me feel this way. And I don't know, but when you come around, I do sweet, silly things as if my mind is unsound. And I so close, I wanna be so much closer. I wanna be closer, closer to you, much talking to the wives of evil men. How do you do it? Eat, drink, sleep with a man that's got blood on his hands. Talking to the wives of serial killers. How do you feel when he holds you and touches you? Ooh, are you for real? Come sit down, my sisters. Let's talk about life. Remember the words of Mama. Try to be a model wife. There's nothing wrong with the fast lane. Just had to crash too early. So you better watch that pace. Watch your taste. No hate. Talking to the wives of evil men. How do you do it? Eat, drink, sleep with a man that's got blood on his hands. Talking to the wives of the serial killers. How do you feel when he holds you and touches you? Ooh, are you for real? I long for a world filled with laughter, where everyone is a family. But am I crazy? Am I dreaming? I wonder if this could ever be. That's why I'm meeting with the sisters as the source of all that's living. So watch that pace, watch your taste, no haste. Talking to the wives of evil men. How do you do it? Eat, drink, sleep with a man that's got blood on his hands. Talking to the wives of the serial killers. How do you feel when he holds you and touches you? Are you for real? Come sit down, my sisters. Let's talk about life. Remember the words of Mama. Try to be a model wife. There's nothing wrong with the fast lane. Just had to crash too early. So watch that pace, watch your taste. No hate. Talking to the wives of evil men. Talking to your sisters. How do you do it? How do you do sleep with a man that's got blood on his hands. Talking to the wives of
Well, I want you to come over, baby. I'm waiting here for you. All I ask is for a moment of your time.
Just one moment.
Didn't need to be so forward, but it seems the time is right. You haven't smiled in a while,
long
and it seems to be so bright. I've been hearing all the rumors about the things that's been going down.
Boy, I tell it hurt me too.
And the way that it's treating you is so wrong.
So wrong, girl, yeah.
Girl, let me be the one to take away your pain. Bring you the joy you've been looking for, so you'll smile again. Oh, don't let him treat your love this way. Oh, don't be afraid to walk away. A real man you need in your life.
A real man.
Give me a chance enough to think twice. You'll be loved, girl. You'll be loved.
Okay, baby girl, can I play you a song? From my box guitar, cause in box upon your Jordan. And each chord I've been holding it for you, playing in melodies for you. Hoping Jah will see you through, yes. The man you love, not Jesus. treat you right. Come home late at night and always want to fight. Gamble up the red money, I drink it in a white beer. Then how him so bright. Me tell you, time to move on, August down to reside. A real Rasta man where you want in your life. To treat you like a princess, not just to call your wife. You gotta do what's right, girl. You need a love that will last forever. And I don't really like that young man's behavior. Before you think to give him another dance, give me friend the way that chance, girl.
Don't let him treat your love this way.
I never let him treat you that way, girl.
Don't be afraid to walk away.
Don't be afraid to walk away, no.
A real man you need in your life.
A real man.
A chance to not be think twice. You'll be loved, girl. You'll be loved. Baby, every time you gave your heart, it seemed to be in vain. And I know you've been searching for that change. And I don't profess to be that perfect man, but I'll do the best that I can. Girl, run away with me to paradise. Where my best down there, down here everything is nice.
Born for be wrong to life, them a destruction. A be a separation from the valley to the hills. People can't afford to buy food, much less pay bills. Born suicidal, dash with the rope and the pills. Be instructive, utilize the skills. Some flexing like snake and swine. Them not genuine, them fake and time. Not dirty pagan blind, who never want to see the youth highly bent and shine. No care who got a bigger cup or plate than mine. Use living love, delete war, hate and crime. Some close to the beast like 8 and 9. Them say I wait to step aside because I Satan time. The system is a nightmare. Yes, it's quite clear. Babylon will sell you out for a pair of Nike. People stress till they made full up of grey and white hair. This is a nightmare. Yes, it's quite clear. Some terrorize the people, now they're living in fear. Dungeon beer innocent, them flinging in there. Glory shine and the whole place brighter. But be wrong, no like that, so they flood to fight us. Youths no worry about visa or who trying to spite us. Fire light up, evil can't defeat the righteous. All in our West Kingston, no innocent flesh get fling down. No sell out them family if we get income. Say them no cater who them let him down. Some say them got them gatherings, so them ever blessed. Plus them ratings, I like Mount Everest. The bug of them claim them full of cleverness. Get them devour, them sister and them brother flesh. Them full of deception. Them love using and abusing and rejection. Them coulda wicked like Leja Sue or Delilah. Them system have to crash because the evil are the driver. It's a nightmare. Oh yes, it's quite clear. Babylonian just sell you out for a pair of Nike. The people stress till they made full up of grey and white hair. A nightmare. Yes, it's quite clear. Babylon terrorize the people, now they're living in fear. Them dirty dungeon, I'll put them flinging in there.
To rearrange when I came to town. Couldn't turn it in a shooting range when I came to town. Babylon were acting strange when I came to town. Have to burn these fires and flame when I came to town. Cause when I came to town, I came here on a mission. I came to burn out all the wicked politicians. Make them know straight says a time bomb them sit on. I figure above ill through my intuition. Yo again, line lips is abomination. Them use politics for divide the nation. I feel all a meditation, chant for liberation and salvation. Yo again, make them know education is the key. Babylon I sell out the ghetto youths them free. But tell them in no love or them a pre. But find out enough of them a fake, enough of them unfree. Wow, we no business if them want reach 33. We no business if them want reach the highest degree. Cause the bar is the ultimate team. More sanity, solidarity, alright. Things had to rearrange when I came to town. This This place was a shooting range when I came to town. Babylon were acting strange when I came to town. Couldn't put the youth on the shooting range when I came to town. Yo again, them used to say Rasta anti-social. Them even fight against Bob Marley vocal. But Fireman had done the whole of them total. And burn out all the leaders, them were so-called. Yo, past promises how with them couldn't navigate. Rastafari works, the youth them have to agitate. To consciousness, they get to youth them gravitate. And your King Selassie, I straight, some me say again. Rastafari no wall and bone. Can I tell them say we burn skull and bone, yo. Yes, Selassie, I him govern the throne. Now walking enough of them zone anyway. Rastafari speak the truth. Why Babylon try to violate the youth? I go on like them smart and I go on like them cute. But Mama Earth, she defend the roots. I'm say again, I live up time. Now give up mine. Live up time. Now give up mine. Shine. Now I know things had to rearrange when I came to town.
You're different from every other girl I know.
You're just right. You're just right.
What more can I say?
You're just right. You're just right.
Damn.
Every single thing about you is perfect. I must tell. From the face to the waist to the feature knee, you look exceptionally well. And you stand out in the crowd. I'm impressed the way you bleed. Everybody has just this to say, that you are truly happening. Oh, extraordinary, you're as sweet as sweet can be. Wonderful, so wonderful, even the blind could see. Clean and pure, I do adore the values you possess. Yes, indeed, you hold the lead, in you I will invest. Hey. Oh, yeah. Oh. Every single thing about you is perfect. You're just right, just right. The way you walk and talk and how you smile brightens the darkest night. Hey, the qualities you possess makes you different too. Oh, word on the street, everyone we meet said it is all about you. Extraordinary, you're as sweet as sweet can be, and I find for so wonderful. My black Cinderella, she cannot be far away. Oh Lord, that, but it's the thing from my youthful days. Though she's pretty, though she's sweet, I've just got to be discreet, 'cause I'm in love with the girl who is half my age.
Come on, me don't wanna create a rubber. Create a rubber, me don't wanna create a rubber. Go look your size, me don't wanna create a rubber. Create a rubber, me don't wanna create a rubber. Go look your size, when you pick up young girl, you a big featureable. Go look a woman with more responsible. You should, she if it talk, she is after age. Man, you must be ready for your early grave.
She might not be experienced,
that's you think,
but I'm attracted to her innocence, and it really turns me on. She makes me laugh, she makes me smile, she keeps me happy all the while. Old feet, you better watch your food, young girls will dip into your play.
Well, we sweet it today. Tomorrow could have so when she, yeah man, she gone. Who you going run to? Clothes we wash and house we clean. We relax one side, now miss fresh and green. Me don't wanna create a rubber. Create a rubber, me don't wanna create a rubber. Go look yourself, me don't wanna create a rubber. Create a rubber.
So I'm in love with the girl, nearly half my age. Folks say this, folks say that, but it's a thing from my youthful days.
But you're bright.
Though she's pretty, though she's sweet, I've just got to be discreet, 'cause I'm in love with the girl who is half my age.
You know, me say, go look your signs, man, go look your signs. Go look your signs, then no stop criticize. Yes, go look your signs, man, go look your signs. A full time now for you realize this. Fresh and green, no stop spend out the money. But when man get broke, bees lose them honey. Mother get fridge, sister get TV, and she and her passing no left Kentucky.
If she loves money, I don't care.
Where you count out?
'Cause what she has, she generously shares. Years of what she hasn't got, but what she's got a lot. Could never walk away from that.
Come now, me don't wanna create a rubber. Create a rubber, me don't wanna create a rubber. Go look yourself, me don't wanna create a rubber. Create a rubber, me don't wanna create a rubber. Go look your signs, Joe. Go look your signs, run, go look your signs. A full time man for you realize this. Go look your signs, man, go look your signs.
I'm in love with the girl who is half my age. Folks say this, folks say that, but it's a thing from my youthful days. Though she's pretty, though she's sweet, I've just got to be discreet, 'cause I'm in love with the girl who is half my age.
Man, when you pick up young girls, you a big featureable. Go look a woman with more responsible. You should, she if it talk, she is after age. Man, you must be ready for your early grave.
Yo, I tell us from this way walking. Come like that, both me hard in the start. Trust me. Oh, it's raining. Raining love again. Raining. Gee. Oh, it's raining. On my roof while in my bed. Raining. Hey. Check this. 'Cause I'm in the mood. The time is right and I'm ready for that cruise. Just to be with you, lady. I've got it all worked out. I know what to say, what to do, so you can scream out my name. Shadow in the pain. Let me stop for a while. Let me reflect on the things that I know you like, my dear. Hey. Just one more time. Let me do what I do, so sit back and relax and enjoy the play. Hear me, baby. Oh, it's raining. Raining love again. Raining. On my roof while in my bed. Raining. Hey, inside, outside, all over my head. Raining. Hey. It's pouring again now. now, baby, oh, now, you don't know the lady said. Now I got you where I want you. I know where to touch, where to rub. As I take off your shoe. Ooh, let me rub your shoulders. Run my fingers down your spine. I'm heading for your treasure, baby. Now it's your turn. Come and teach the lessons you teach, baby. I wanna learn. Oh, it's raining, raining love again.
You're always on my mind, girl. I wanna spend some time with you. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You're always on my mind. Yes, I wanna spend some time with you. Oh yeah. You're like a beautiful flower coming out of the garden. Every time your eyes meet mine, I keep beaming. Can't you see that I want you, girl? Yeah. I wanna hold you in my arms, keep you warm, yeah. Just imagine me and you, all the things that we could do, yeah. Let's get away, find a place where we can play. You're always on my mind, girl. I wanna spend some time with you. Oh yeah. You're always on my mind. Yes, I wanna spend some time with you. Oh yeah. Pretty little African woman, in my arms where you belong. Don't keep me waiting too long. I need you beside me, like the Father who guides me. Come on, baby, let's have a one-on-one. Yeah, you're always on my mind, girl. I wanna spend some time with you. Oh yeah. You're always on my mind, girl. I wanna spend some time with you. When you call me, I can hear you lonely. I want to know I want you just like how you want me. Save it all for me. You're always on my mind, girl. I wanna spend some time with you. Oh yeah. You're always on my mind, girl. I wanna spend some time with you. Oh yeah. You're like a beautiful girl. On my day, y'all, I won't leave you for an inch. Anything you want, just call on me. I got a big bright smile, but my days are dark. Hungry till I can barely walk. Oh, don't watch the look on my face. No, don't have no food and my cupboard's dry. Only God knows how I get by. Oh, don't watch the look on my face. No, she's the sweetest thing that you've ever seen. Selling her body wasn't in her dreams. No, don't watch the look on her face. No, because we have a pleasant look. If you don't know the story, don't judge the book. Please don't watch the look on my face. No, even though I smile, it is only for a while. My tears could fill the river Nile, but I sweep my troubles underneath my pride. Yes, I'm gonna smile, though it's only for a while.
troubles underneath my pride. Tell him it there, Jah won't leave you for an inch. Anything you want, just call on him. I say, Lord, tell him it there, friend, you are look to him. He will never ever leave you because you think everything cool. Show me look polite, nothing no good, nothing done right. No, don't watch the look on my face. So when you feel like stop, just don't give up. You have a life, so just go and look up. Jah Lord knows the look on my face. So while I smile, my heart cries. No one knows the pain I feel inside. Please don't watch the look on my face. No, even though I smile, it is only for a while. Tears could fill the river Nile, but I keep my troubles underneath my pride.
Oh, girl, baby. Oh, baby. Talk about love. Talk about trust. Talk about forever, baby. Talk about us. I give you my word. Stick to my guns. Believe me when I say it, baby. It's just begun. You don't understand, oh girl, the full intent of my plan. But baby, I wanna be your sole provider. And baby, I wanna stay that way for the longest time. Baby, I wanna be your sole provider. It's so real. I know you've been hurt. I know you're love shy. You don't have to say it, baby. It's gonna take some time. You got my heart in the palm of your hands. I swear it's gonna stay there, baby. Give me half a chance. You don't understand, no, the full intent of my plan. Baby, I wanna be your sole provider. Baby, I wanna stay that way for the longest time. Baby, I wanna be your sole provider. Oh baby, I've been waiting for a long time for somebody like you to give my love, all my love, day and night. Just say you'll be mine for the rest of your life, and I'll show you why. Baby, I wanna be your sole provider. I cannot talk to you, baby. I cannot talk to you, baby. Check this. As you stepped on off the train yesterday in the pouring rain, with her clothes all packed, her face messed up, I could tell she was feeling pain. I thought I had something sweet to tell her. As I opened up my umbrella, she was so confused, scared and abused, tried to hide it with a smile. And just like the night in China, I used my charm just to calm her, engage her in a good conversation, just trying to ease her frustration. As she told me her story. I told her, baby, don't worry, I'm the man that you're looking for. Baby, count your lucky stars, 'cause I'm taking you home with me tonight. You're gonna stay with me for life. I'm taking you home with me tonight, 'cause I'm a lover, baby, I'll fight. She said she didn't know where she was going. All she knows, she had to leave him fast, 'cause if she didn't leave, she didn't know how long she was gonna last. So many times he told her sorry, so many times he said he'd stop, but he goes on and on, her mind's made up. She said she ain't going back, and just like a knight in shining armor, I use my charm just to come and engage her in a good conversation, just trying to ease her frustration. And she told me a story. I told her, baby, don't worry, I'm the man that you're looking for. Baby, count your lucky stars, 'cause I'm taking you home with me tonight. You're gonna stay with me for life. I'm taking you home with me tonight, 'cause I'm a lover, baby, I won't fight. I won't fight you, baby.
Yes, girl, you, no other one but you. Baby girl said it feels so right, so good, so good. Me mean when me saying from my heart. Baby girl, me and you would never part. Girl, me say you have me in a comfort zone. Every time you leave me, then you come back home. Baby, and no games me a play. I and I woulda never ever stray. Girl, me say you lock me in your comfort zone. Get me solid as a rock, you know me tough like stone. I believe that love is a powerful thing, a feeling deep within. And if you believe in love, free up your mind, let this flow within. As early as the morning star, I'm giving thanks for this lovely thing. Girl, with every beat of me heart, beat of me heart, me pray that you would never part. Can't no other girl no hold me so tight yet, baby. None of them never please me, sir. Treat me, sir. Lord, you feel so right. No girl never squeeze me so tight yet, baby. None of them never groove me, sir. Move me, sir. Girl, you shine so bright. Anytime, any weather, me girl get the key for me heart so forever. She will be the one with whom me share up the treasure. Enough love, it never makes sense, you major. No. And baby girl, you have to ask me anything me give to her, no matter what it costs me. Because me love her so much, so me treat her with such tenderness, she and me baby. Cause I believe that love is a powerful thing, a feeling deep within. And if you believe in love, free up your mind, let this flow within. As early as the morning star, I'm giving thanks for this lovely thing. And if I ever dream me a dream, me now I wake up because you're still holding on. And no other girl don't hold me so tight yet, baby. None of them never please me, sir. Treat me, sir. Lord, you feel so right. No girl never squeeze me so tight yet, baby. None of them never groove me, sir. Move me, sir. Girl, you shine so bright, yeah. She's the flower in my garden. Pretty little, the flower in my garden. Girl, you and only you, baby. You and only you, baby. And I believe that love is a powerful thing, feeling deep within. And if you believe in love, free up your mind, let this flow within. As early as the morning star, I'm giving thanks for this lovely thing. Girl, with every beat of me heart, me pray that you would never part. And no other girl no hold me so tight yet, baby. None of them never please me, sir.
Another dollar. Me mind upon me yard and yet you them all. So me working hard. Another day, another dollar. Boy, me mind upon me yard and yet you them all. Can't come to me find some food for them swallow. No shame face at all, yo. Me a carry gravel and mud, yo. Somebody pass me the water and make me mix up the matter. Shirt and pants stay road. All the shoes it wear road. Me still now want that no. Cause I know another day, another dollar. Me mind upon me yard, yeah, the youth them all. So me working hard. Another day, another dollar. Me mind upon me yard, yeah, the youth them all. Me can't go until me find some food for them swallow. Can't depend on nobody for the moon. Every dog can be find them on a bone. Can't get up every day. I ask this man, that man, everybody be alone. Then tell me where me would I get it from? When me want 10 somebody 10 grand. You must check me a madman. You can't call up another day, another dollar. Me mind upon me yard, yeah, the you them all. So me working hard. Another day, another dollar. Boy, me mind upon me yard, yeah, the you them all. Me can't go until me find some food for them swallow. Me can't go. Me can't go. Me have to find some food. Find some food for them. Yo, I work, me I work. I'm in no way. Can't be a free better days, yeah. I no cute boy think this. It's more like a rude boy think this. Select on me why you fi spin this. Hard working people fi sing this. Romain Virgo, you want
we waste too much time. When will we settle down? It's just make up then break up. Every time I come around, we can't deny this feeling. When we know we need that healing. Every single touch. Oh girl, I'm wanting you so much. Hey, girl, love's in front of our eyes. What will we do about it? And I'm crazy about you, there is no doubt about it. Fire up inside, baby, don't you deny. Cause we got to connect to feel it. So let me give it to you right. Ooh, walk me up, baby, hold me tight. Kisses on your neck, baby, just the way you like. Touch me, baby, you're my nurse tonight. Yes. Ooh, yeah, yes, yes. Ooh, baby, yes. We waste too much time. When will we settle down? Is that make up then break up? Every time I come around, we can't deny this feeling. When we know we need that healing. Every single touch. Oh girl, I'm wanting you so much. Oh yes. This love is slipping and sliding. With all the feelings you're hiding. Yeah, your resistance enticing. So baby, give it up. Look what you made me do. Save up all of my loving, baby, just for you. You know how many girls out there are envious of you. I'm really losing my patience. The truth is all I want is stop wasting time. We need to settle down. It's just make up then break up. Every time I come around, we can't deny this feeling. When we know we need that healing. Every single touch. Oh girl, I'm wanting you so much. Oh yes, no love's in front of our eyes. What will we do about it? And I'm crazy about you, there is no doubt about it. Why end up inside, baby? Don't you deny it. We got to connect to feel it, and let me give it to you right. Ooh, fuck me up, baby, squeeze me tight. Ooh, let me give you good love tonight. Yeah, it's alright. We waste too much time. When will we settle down? It's just make up and break up. Every time I come around, we can't deny this feeling, but we don't need it.
Never gonna let you down. I'll always be around. I'll be there for you. I love you. Never gonna let you down. I'll always be around. I'll be there for you. I love you. Never, no, never, no, never will let you down. Yeah. Whenever you call my name, it sounds so good. I wanna hear it over again. You never have to look around whenever you need a friend. I'll hold you and I'll give to you my tender love and care. Never gonna let you down. I'll always be around. I'll be there for you. I love you. Never gonna let you down. I'll always be around. I'll be there for you. I love you. Never, no, never, no, never will let you down. I can take it. My heart is breaking, and I can take this lonely feeling, girl, it's tearing me apart. And I am shaking, girl, you're deceiving. From the last time we made love, my dear, I haven't seen you since. Something is missing, cause I can't sleep at night. It seems you've been dissing, and I keep wondering why. Sometimes I sit and cry and think of all the lies that you told me in the past, my baby. Whoa, reminiscing about your kissing, and I keep tossing, turning in my sleep. The thought of losing you, keep forgetting. You say you love me. You were the one who turned my gray skies blue. My life has been brand new. Things won't stay the same as we want them to. Though you make me blue, girl, my love is true. But all those lonely nights I spent away from you, girl, you do me bad, and I'm feeling sad. Something is missing, cause I can't sleep at night. It seems you've been dissing, and I keep wondering why. Sometimes I sit and cry and think of all the lies that you told me in the past, my baby. Whoa, I can take it. My heart is breaking, and I can take this lonely feeling, girl, it's tearing me apart. And I am shaking, you're deceiving. From the last time we made love, my dear, I haven't seen you since. Things won't stay the same as we want them to. Though you make me blue, girl, my love is true. All those lonely nights I spent away from you, girl, you do me bad, and I'm feeling sad. Something is missing, cause I can't sleep at night. It seems you've been dissing, and I keep wondering why. Times I sit and cry and think of all the lies that you told me in the past, my baby. Whoa, reminiscing about your kissing, and I keep tossing, turning in my sleep. The thought of losing you, keep forgetting.
Watch out. She called and told me not to cut my phone. She called and told me that she need me home. She called and told me that she need my tone. She know I know more man for coming now. She called and told me not to cut my phone. She called and told me that she need me home. She called and told me that she need my tone. Blazing. So she called me on the phone line. She want me sing a punchline. She said she on my sunshine. So she bun grind. Say she on my lifeline. Say she on my front line. She call up on the phone line. What I wanna name? Praise God. Woman want to know when love said them give me a call. She know I don't want to come meet her fight. Say she want it hard and strong and tall. Real warrior, I wish she need overall. She know I don't want to come kick her like ball. She know I don't want to come treat her like doll. She know I don't want to can't bring her in the mall. So she call Capleton overall. She call me on the phone line. She want me sing a punchline. She want me make you feel fine. She said she need me every time. So she send me on the front line. She said she on my sunshine. She said she on my lifeline. So she born to cry. Woman want to know when money in her life. One militant me say she can't take the hype. She don't come here to fi fuss and she don't come here to fi fight. That's why she a go come call me tonight. Well, she called me yesterday and say she a go take a flight. Tell me say she can't take the cold and the ice. Want some of the fire you fi burn her tonight. Give her it and give her it right. She called and told me not to cut my phone. She called and told me that she need me home. She called and told me that she need my tone. She don't need no poor man figure coming now. She called and told me not to cut my phone. She called and told me that she need me home. She called and told me that she need my town. Blazing. So she called me on the phone line. So she want me sing a punchline. She wanna make me feel fine. She said she need me every time. So she said she on my sunshine. She said she on my lifeline. She said she want my bedtime. She said she love me every time. But she got dial me number. Can't take the man them way I sleep and I slumber. Request the profit then in the center. Want all the weight and all the length of the strength. Real warrior she want to be the defense. Strength and power and a big event. This Emmanuel me say the fire get blazing. She called me on the phone line. She on my front line. So I'ma sing a punchline just to make you feel fine. She say she want me daytime. She say she want me nighttime. She say she want me summertime.